welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia, also known as Sccastaneda here on YouTube. And today's video is pretty much going to be a cleaning supply haul. I know it's not that exciting if you are not doing the cleaning at your house, but for us mamas, women of the house, you know, sometimes we take on that role. If we have some hoochie daddies that are watching this video that are getting down with the scrub dub dub, boy, where you at? Hopefully we're not the only ones who are getting down with scrubbing on the floor, washing the dishes, anything. I'm going to show you some light bulbs too that I got. I'm also going to be replacing my toilet seat, so I'm going to be talking about everything that I got as far as cleaning supplies goes in this haul. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already joined my family, and let's get started. So the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys, which is in arm's reach, would have to be some rubber gloves. Okay, and I thought these were like really dorky, and it's like only like the weak wear gloves when they're cleaning, right? Oh, heck no. That is further from the truth. The smarty arties are the ones that are wearing these damn gloves, because let me tell you, girl, my fingers and my feet are going straight to hell. My fingers are peeling. Now, hopefully that's not some kind of like condition or a sign of like you're gonna die sometime soon. I wish that these gloves actually went all the way up to my brain, because I get so grossed out in the restroom. It's unreal. Next would have to be these Greener Clean Reusable Money Saving Choice Scotch-Brite Heavy Duty Scrub Sponges. And they look like this. I actually got some sponges off of Grove Collaborative. I don't know why was it Collaborative or Collective? I forget. Which one of those. I was messing it up the entire video. Oh my gosh. I'm like, I'm never going to get sponsored by them ever. I got some off of their website and it was like coconut. I don't know how I'm scrubbing my pots and pans with some coconut debris. But I saw these. These are just like a greener version of the sponges. And I'm hoping, let's see. It says, rethink your routine with a greener way to clean. Let's see, You want to sanitize in the dishwasher or by boiling. Did you guys know that? As soon as it starts to smell functified, it's going in the trash. I also got a pack of Duracell AA batteries, and they look like this. These are so expensive, you guys. You don't know how much, you really don't know how much batteries are until you go and look for some. That's why I only got like a 2-pack, because honestly, they were so expensive. They're like $13 for the smallest pack. Like, what? You need at least two of them for each flipping remote in the house. So how we did it back in the day is we stole the batteries from each remote and just shared, because they were too expensive. I had also got some of these GE Crystal Clear bulbs, and they come in a 3-pack, and they're large bulbs. And these are for my vanity area, so right above my vanity in my restroom back here. They're going out. I think I just have bad old wiring in this apartment, because I have to replace them very often. So I even got a backup, because I just knew that they're just going to go out. This is a new brand to me. This is Aunt Fanny's. I think I'm saying that right. Aunt Fanny's. And this is their cleaning vinegar wipes. Healthier housekeeping in the scent eucalyptus. So I'm like, oh, okay. There's 25 wipes in here, and it says it's free from dyes, ammonia, parabens, bleach, alcohols. I'm like, what are you gonna clean with, girl? There's nothing in here. Not a damn thing. It just says ingredients: white distilled vinegar, sugar sufficient, I don't know, eucalyptus oil, mint oil, orange, and peppermint oil. Oh, okay. This is the first thing that I purchased, and I already used it because my floors were so nasty I could not wait. This is the Method Squirt and Mop, and it's for hard floor. It's a hard floor cleaner, which is perfect for my house because I got some fake hard floors. This is lemon and ginger scent, and it's non-toxic and plant-based. You guys, this is the best. If you have not heard of Method already, I think Target carries Method. I'm pretty sure that Target carries Method. I wash the floor the way that I saw my mom wash the floors when I was younger, which is pretty much like squirt. You have one foot with a clean rag and one foot with a dirty rag, and you're kind of doing the little wax on, wax off situation with your legs, kind of getting a workout at the same time. You're like, Here's another product from Method, and this is their Daily Granite. It cleans and polishes, and it's in the scent Apple Orchard. And again, this one is to And again, this is Method, so this is non-toxic, plant-based. It shines granite, marble, and stone. So I'm really excited to try this out. I don't know what it smells like because I haven't opened it yet. But I have a ton of granite in my kitchen that I do not like. Maybe it's Pinterest that's like killing it for me. I don't see very many like dream kitchens with granite everywhere. You just don't see that anymore. It's just not in. I think I might have been 18 or 19 years old when I was selling tile and stone. So when I see granite, I'm like, oh, it hurts my corazon because I know that it's like the cheapest stone. I also got this Method Steel for Real. It cleans and polishes, and it's in the same scent, Apple Orchard. This is also non-toxic, plant-based, and it cleans fingerprints, smudges with no streaking, which is really important because I have a ton of stainless steel in my kitchen. I have my refrigerator. I also have the dishwasher, the stove, and also the microwave. Now, if you guys have been following me for some time, you know that I love Miss Meyer's, okay? Miss Meyer's Clean Day is like one of my favorite brands right now. I am constantly using their hand soap, their all-purpose spray refilling one. You just add a little splash and then you fill the bottle up with water. I use that. I use their dish soap for sure. Right now they have a couple of new scents. I think it's pumpkin and apple cider are like their new releases, which, oh, they smell so good. The apple cider is like the bomb. Like, I can't wait to go wash my damn dirty ass crusty dishes because it smells that good. But I didn't get soap this time because I already had it stocked up. So I am going to be trying the Miss Meyer's Clean Day laundry detergent in basil. Basil is one of my other favorite scents. I love basil, radish, and peony. And this one was on clearance for $8.49 and originally priced $17. Girl, actually, you know what? I am going to be making the permanent move from my Tide little pods because it ruined a whole batch of my towels because I guess the pod didn't like dissolve, and it looked like, I don't know, it looked like someone opened the dryer and squirted like glue gun glue all inside. It's the plastic from the pod melted on everything and it ruined everything. I also got another product from Miss Meyer's Clean Day. This is in lemon, and this is just a room freshener. I have dogs, and not that I let them like just go wherever the heck they want. Usually we're telling them to get down off the couch because they like to sit on top of the cushions, and then all of our cushions have like this little bend in them. But anyhow, like when people come over, I like to spray before they come in so that it smells nice and clean in my house. So I'm always like super self-conscious about that. The same thing with my bed and the same thing with my car. I don't know what it is, but I'm like always worried that people are going to think that I smell. Maybe it's because my BO is so ferocious that it literally will punch you right in the nose and I'll be smiling at you at the same time and like not know that I offended you unless you made a nasty face. You know what I mean? So this is another product that's new to me. This is called Better Life, a naturally bedroom brightening tub and tile cleaner. It says foaming action, no harsh fumes, unbeatable clean, and this is in the scent tea tree and eucalyptus. So that's really, really cool. It says dissolve soap scum and hard water stains. This is also non-toxic. It says plant derivative cleaning agents from coconut, corn, and citrus, natural scents, and this is with essential oils and plant extracts. No alcohol, no dyes, no chlorine or bleach. No SLS or SLEPS. Girl, do your research because I don't even like what the heck? I don't even know. I must be tired, girl. It just says just the good stuff on the packaging, so there you have it right there. I also got 2 of these, and these are just some toilet seats, but my mom has these at her house too, and they're padded seats. Chris and I always make a comment when we go to someone's house and we sit on the toilet. Yes, if Chris goes and tears up her restroom, sits on the toilet, and it's hard, we almost like bruise our butts from like slamming on the seat, thinking that it's going to be cushioned like ours because we're spoiled. But yeah, I guess mine, I know damn well I needed to change my seat. I was taking a bath with a Lush bath bomb. This is a while ago, okay? And I guess if you don't like rinse it off well, I thought you can just get out of the bathtub and towel off and you're good because it's soap. No, girl. There is dye in their products, so when I went and sat on the toilet to go pee, because I'm not nasty, I don't go in the water, I guess the toilet seat turned purple. Like, literally, like, my butt cheek print on the toilet seat turned purple. And after so many power slams, it ripped. Like, my toilet seat ripped, so every time you sit, it kind of pinches you in your butt. Anyway. I needed to get a new one, and since I got a new one, I got the boys a new one as well. And then for my last 2 products, I also got replacement shower curtains, which are really important to continue to swap out because they do grow mold really, really easily, especially if you have restrooms that don't have windows like mine. Both of my restrooms in here do not have windows. They have vents, which are so loud, it sounds like you're gonna, like, I don't know, get your whole life sucked out of the damn vent. And last but not least is gonna have to be this filter. Now, this is an air filter. It came with 2-pack because we really needed one. The first time my AC went out, someone said, check the air filter. It might be the air filter. I'm like, what the heck is that? I didn't even know that I had an air filter. Girl, I was living here for 2 years, and I never changed the air filter. Ah! No wonder I had swollen eyes all the time, and everybody kept, like, accusing me of smoking the ganja because my eyes were so affected by the dust in the air. It makes me want to change it out again. But you have to do it, like, every 3 to 6 months, and I did not know that. So now I got me a 2-pack. So the next time that I swap it out, I'm going to have to get another 2-pack so I can keep it going. Especially because I have allergies to dust, and so does my son. He has asthma as well, so it's really important to keep your family healthy. Now, if you guys didn't see your favorite natural cleaning product, let me know in the comments down below as well. Or if you have any suggestions or maybe something that I might need to try out, let me know there as well. I'm so open to any of your suggestions, comments, concerns, requests, anything that you guys want to say, even if it's bad, girl, because I'm ready to block somebody, okay? But thank you so much for spending time with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.